Hey everybody, it's Paul from Dent Shop in Ashburn, Virginia, and we've got a car here that I think is going to help explain a few things to a lot of you guys who are running body shops or dealerships and are wondering, can Dent Shop help you with some of the inventory that you've got and the customer cars that you're dealing with. So behind me you can see we're working on a late model Audi A8. This quarter panel is all aluminum, and obviously we had to do quite a bit of R&I to get access to the back side of this metal to fix it without having to paint the car. Where the real value is, well, before I get into that, let me just show you. Obviously we have a crease that comes through the body line down here, and this whole panel is aluminum. Those marks will show you kind of the widespread area of damage that's on this quarter panel. We see a lot of this stuff that comes into the shop, so we deal with it on a regular basis, but let's get back to what kind of value that Dent Shop brings to a lot of you body shops and dealerships. In a situation like this, we're gonna fix a car like this in about 1 day or less, and so what that means for you is your cycle time goes down really low. We can turn this around pretty quickly so that you can get your customer back in the car if you're a body shop, or if you are a dealership and you have an inventory vehicle that has damage like this, we can turn this around in about a day so that you can get it back on the front line and sell it to your customers. If you have any questions about any of this type of work, you should definitely give us a call, shoot us an email. Let us know how we can help you with some of this larger format damage and see what we can do to help you get it back on the lot or back in your customers' hands as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. We'll hope to see you soon.